Hey there, let's continue CTVT entrance preparation model questions. आजको क्वेशन्सहरु चाहिँ इंग्लिशको रहेको छ. So let's see है त. Question number 1. They have been studying in this school 2010 for since from about. So the correct answer is since. Since किन त since preposition चाहिँ used हुन्छ to describe point of time, that is it tells us when the action began. Question number 2. She would visit all the villagers of Nepal if she the Prime Minister was, where, had been, was been. So the correct answer is where. किन त conditional sentence मा यदि अगाडि if plus verb 2 छ भने मात्रै पछाडि के हुन्छ त would, should, could, might plus verb 1. त्यही भएर के हो त correct answer where. Question number 3. Ram his problem solved by me. Got, make, makes, none. So the correct answer is got. Causative verbs मा चाहिँ के हुन्छ त subject plus get plus object छ भने verb 3 use हुन्छ. त्यही भएर Ram got his problem solved by me. Question number 4. Food is being prepared by my sister. That is to say, my sister is preparing food. My sister has been preparing food. My sister prepares food. My sister prepared food. So the correct answer is my sister is preparing food. Active voice मा subject plus is MR plus verb 4 plus object छ भने चाहिँ के हुन्छ त object plus is MR plus being plus verb 3. त्यही भएर correct answer भनेको के छ my sister is preparing food. Question number 5. No one invites her. Also can be said no one is invited by her. She was invited by everyone. She has not invited. She is not invited. So the correct answer is she is not invited. किन त active voice मा verb 1 or verb 5 छ भने passive voice मा चाहिँ के हुन्छ त is MR plus verb 3. Question number 6. 2000 rupees a large amount for them. Are, is, have, where. So the correct answer is. Quantity, amount, distanceहरुमा चाहिँ सधैँ singular verb use गर्नुपर्छ. त्यही भएर 2000 rupees is a large amount for them. Question number 7. The principal forbade his student not to smoke, to not smoke, smoke, to smoke. So the correct answer is to smoke. The principal forbade his students to smoke. Question number 8. Mrs. Indira is honorable teacher and the nothing. So the correct answer is and. Mrs. Indira is an honorable teacher. Question number 9. I told him that mayor through the town next week. Can pass, would pass, may pass, shall pass. So the correct answer is would pass. I told him that mayor would pass through the town next week. Question number 10. Cigarette smoking is injurious health at, about, for, to. So the correct answer is to. Cigarette smoking is injurious to health. Question number 11. He said honesty best policy is, was, be, been. So the correct answer is. Simple present tense चाहिँ used हुन्छ to describe quotations or proverbs. त्यही भएर he said honesty is the best policy. Question number 12. My father told me that water freezes at 0 degrees Celsius. Water has frozen at 0 degrees Celsius. Water froze at 0 degrees Celsius. Water had frozen at 0 degrees Celsius. So the correct answer is water freezes at 0 degrees Celsius. किन त simple present tense चाहिँ used हुन्छ to describe true facts. Question number 13. The writer and editor gone was, have, has, is. So the correct answer is has. किन त if two singular nouns refer to the same person or thing, verb चाहिँ singular हुनुपर्छ. त्यही भएर the writer and editor has gone. Question number 14. Hari does not hard study, studies, has studied, is studying. So the correct answer is study. Does not पछाडि त verb 1 use हुन्छ. त्यही भएर Hari does not study hard. Question number 15. Ram is accused theft at, in, of, about. So the correct answer is of. Of preposition चाहिँ used हुन्छ to describe cause. त्यही भएर Ram is accused of theft. Question number 16. Class at 6 o'clock. Begin, begins, was beginning, had begun. So the correct answer is begins. Class begins at 6 o'clock. 17. We played cards until 10 o'clock night. On, in, at, for. So the correct answer is at. At preposition चाहिँ used हुन्छ to describe noon, night or festivals. त्यही भएर we played cards until 10 o'clock at night. Question number 18. If it rains, I at home. Shall stay, should have stayed, should stay, should stayed. So the correct answer is shall stay. Conditional sentence मा अगाडि if plus verb 1 or verb 5 छ भने पछाडि के हुन्छ त will, shall, can, may, must plus verb 1. त्यही भएर if it rains I shall stay at home. Question number 19. If I were a teacher, I not punish students. Will, would have, had. So the correct answer is would. किन त यदि कन्डिसनल सेन्टेन्समा चाहिँ अगाडि इफ प्लस verb 2 छ भने पछाडि के हुन्छ त would, should, could, might प्लस verb 1. त्यही भएर if I were a teacher, I would not punish students. Question number 20. We generally to school in the morning. Went, go, have gone, had gone. So the correct answer is go. We generally go to school in the morning. That's it for today's session. We practiced 20 sets of question. Our next 20 sets of question पनि म चाँडै नै अपलोड गर्छु. So stay tuned till then. Stay safe. Take care. Bye bye.